A database is a big collection of information or data. All the data is organized so that it's easy to find quickly. A teacher's gradebook is a database, and so is the phone book. Find the phone book and click on it. Terrific! One part of a database is the table. The table is the area of the database that you're looking in. The phone book has two tables. One is the Yellow Pages. They list names of businesses, phone numbers, addresses, and information about the businesses like their hours and what they do. The other table in a phone book is the White Pages. They list names of people and businesses, phone numbers, and addresses. Click the flashing arrow to continue. If you were using the phone book database to find out how late the planetarium was open, you'd look in the Yellow Pages. Planetarium is listed in both the Yellow and the White Pages, and so is the address and phone number for it. That means the tables overlap. But only the Yellow Pages have extra information like what hours it's open. Find the table that has extra information and click on it. Way to go! Another part of a database is the record. The record is an entry in a table. For a teacher's gradebook, a record would be the name of a student and all the information that goes with that student. It would probably include the student's name, attendance, and grades for each subject. Another part of a database is the field. The field is a single piece of information in a record. For a phone book, an address is a field, and so is a phone number. In a teacher's gradebook, a name is a field, and so is a grade. Find a phone number field and click on it. Super! Another database is a library card catalog. Libraries also keep track of books in a computer database. Computer databases are just like other databases, except they store their information a little differently, and they are even faster to use. In a computer database, each table is organized like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Each row is a different record. Each column is a type of field. Which one is a record? That's right! The most common way to search through a computer database is by using keywords. Keywords are words that best describe the information you want to find. For example, if you want to know how to become an astronaut, your keyword would be astronaut. When you choose keywords, you want them to be as specific as possible so you can find information you really want. Sometimes you need to use more than one keyword in order to be specific. For example, if you wanted information about the Big Dipper constellation, you wouldn't use the keyword constellation because that would find information on all constellations. Instead, you could use the keywords Big Dipper, which would find information specifically about the Big Dipper constellation. Let's say you need information about the solar system for a school project. Which keywords would you use? Way to go! Now it's time to find the information. A common type of computer database is a library database, which helps you find books and other library resources. Library databases often use different categories or fields in order to help you search. For example, when you start a library database search, you'll usually see a screen that asks you to pick a field for your search. Searching in the title field will find books and resources that have a certain title. The author field finds books and resources by certain authors. The best field to use keywords in is the subject field. This field finds books and other resources that have information about your keywords. You try. Click the Subject button. Excellent! Type your keywords solar system in the text box. Then click the Search button to start the search. Right on! These are all the records of books called The Rings of Saturn in the library. When it is finished searching, the database will return a list of records that include your keywords. In this case, the library database shows a list of books and resources that have information about the solar system. You learned about databases and how to perform keyword and category searches.